So welcome you all back. So in this video, we will see what Ember.js is and what are the topics that will be covered in the part 1 of the lecture series. So Ember is a productive rich web UI framework used for modern web application development, like single page applications. So we will be starting with setting up the required dependencies like Ember CLI, which will be used for creating our project on Ember.js. And then we will dive into the core concepts of Ember.js like components, routing, service, and the data modeling side, which is known as Ember Data. It's a subsidiary of Ember.js project. It brings in the DOA model of data handling. We will see all those things when we go towards the topic. And then we will also look into what Ember Inspector is and how it can be used for debugging. So this is a series of videos. Every video will be released as and when it is made. So this series is a practical explanation on how to build the applications. And we will be seeing each concepts in a practical way, like we will be taking use cases which are basic and simple, and we will try to implement that concept that we are going to learn in that practical example. So let's move on to the next video, which is on setting up the system environment and Ember CLI.